Hey kiddos, so this week we're going to be doing 9-4. And if you don't have it already, pause the video so you can go get it because I'm going to continue, okay? All right, solve and share. Write a two-digit number inside the TV. Write a different two-digit number inside the radio. Then write the numbers and circle the words to complete the sentence below. Okay. I'm going to make my 10 spot ready and my 1 spot ready. And I think I want to put the number 18 over here and maybe the number 21. All right. Now I'm going to write 18 on this side and I'm going to write 21 on this side. Now I have to figure out which one's bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the 10 spot. Which one has more in the 10 spot? 1 or 2? 2 is bigger. But I have to look at the number I wrote first. Is 18 is greater than 21, which means 18 is bigger than 21, or 18 is less than 21? 18 is smaller than 21. I'm going to go with smaller. 18 is smaller because it only has one 10. 21 has two 10s. Okay? All right. Let's flip the page. All right. Let's name this guy David today. He looks like the kind of David where he has crazy hair, right? All right. You can use blocks to compare 24 and 42. Compare the 10s first, like we did, right? This one only has 2. This one has 4. 24 is less than 42. Now they're giving us a symbol. Remember I talked about the alligator? My alligator wants to eat the bigger number. He's not going to eat 24. He's going to eat 42 because 42 is so much bigger than 24. You can talk about 24 and 42 in different ways. We could flip-flop the numbers. But look at, my alligator still wants to eat the bigger number. Just because they flip-flop size doesn't mean that he wants a small one. He wants the bigger number. Now look at the number 35 and 38. Now they both have the same number in the 10 spot. So we have to look at the 1 spot. 5 is less than 8. 8 is a bigger number. So where's my sign going to go? My sign is going to eat the bigger number. My alligator only eats big numbers. Okay. Sometimes the numbers are equal. 26 and 26, they're exactly the same. So I'm going to write an equal sign in the middle. My alligator doesn't want them because one of them's not bigger than the other. So we put an equal sign. Okay? So let's try this down here. All right. 28. 1, 2. So there's 2 in the 10 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 in the 1 spot. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 in the 10 spot, and there's 1 in the 1 spot. We compare 10s first. Is 2 bigger than 4, or is 2 less than 4? It's less than. So I'm going to fill that in. My alligator is not going to eat 28. 28 is smaller than 41. So I'm going to draw my teeth and my eyeball. He's going to eat 41. Okay, let's try this one. 53 is blank, then 35. I'm going to write then 35. So let's look at the 10 spot. 5 is bigger than 3. So 53 is greater than 35. My alligator is going to eat which number? Which one do you think he would want to eat more? The bigger number or the smaller number? Right, he's going to want to eat the bigger number. He's going to eat 53. All right. Now let's try these down here. All right. 19 is blank to 19. They're the exact same number, right? So equal to 19 is equal to 19. Remember, my alligator doesn't want that. He wants a bigger number. He doesn't want the same number, so we put an equal sign in the middle. All right. Now let's look at our 10 spot. Is 6 bigger than 3? Yes. But Miss Colburn, I don't know how to spell greater than. Right here, greater than. 62 is greater than 37. Which way is my alligator gonna eat? Is he gonna eat the 62 or the 37? Right, he's gonna eat the 62. So let me draw my alligator teeth and my eyeball. And there you go. All right. 86 and 89. They both had the same number in the 10 spot. So we need to look at the 1 spot. All right. Is 6 bigger than 9 or is 6 less than 9? It's less, right? So I'm going to look up here. It's not greater than, it's going to be less than, so I got to write it. Okay. Now is my alligator going to eat the smaller one or the bigger one? Right, the bigger one. Alligators only eat the bigger number. Okay, so I want you to pause 6, 7, and 8, or pause the video so you guys can do 6, 7, and 8. You don't need to write the words, just the alligator. And I want you to look up the 10 spot. And if the 10 spot is the same, you look at the 1 spot. Okay? So pause the video and do that, because I'm going to go down to this one down here. Okay? So pause the video so you can do it. All right, I think I want to pick the number 56 and 42 for the first one. I'm going to look at the 10 spot. 5 is bigger than 4, so my alligator is going to eat the bigger number. Let's put 19 right here, and let's put 72 right here. All right. I got a 1 in this spot and a 7 in this spot. All right. Am I going to let my alligator eat the smaller number or the bigger number? The bigger number, right. All right. Now let's look at the last two, which are 99 and 19. All right. Let's look at the 10 spot. 9 and a 1. Oh, my alligator is going to want to eat the bigger number, right? So my alligator is going to go this way. Okay. Now let's double check how you guys did on 6, 7, and 8. 3 is smaller than 4. So my alligator is going to face this way. And he's going to eat 43. My 10 spots are the exact same number, so I need to look at my 1 spots. Is 5 bigger than 0? Yes. My alligator's going to want to eat the 5, not the 0. My 10 spot is the same. My 1 spot is the same. My alligator wants nothing to do with this one. So I have to put an equal sign. All right, if you got those right, kiss your brain. That's all we're doing for today, okay, kiddos? Have a good day, okay?